In what can be considered as yet another assault on the freedom of expression, Tamil writer Perumal Murugan has been forced to withdraw his book and tender an unconditional apology after his book came under attack from fringe groups. The writer, in fact, has now decided to put down his pen as a mark of protest.
These right-wing groups holding the entire district of Namakkal to ransom for almost 20 days. And their only demand is a ban on author Perumal Murugan's book, accusing the author of portraying the Kailasanathar temple and its devotees in bad light. As protests against the novel rage on, the district administration stepping in, and the deadlock ending after an unconditional apology by the writer.
After coming under attack from right-wing groups, author Perumal Murugan has given up writing. The activists and writers here are up in arms against Tamil Nadu government for facilitating talks between the right-wing fringe groups and the author and forcing him to tender apology. The activists say that the Tamil Nadu government has violated his constitutional rights.
Writers and activists launching a counter-protest against the government's move, asking the author to sign a peace deal and withdraw his book.
Communal forces, casteist forces, fringe groups who've been totally violent and who've been violating the constitution, who've been undemocratic and who've been threatening violence. I think it's like a really sad day, but I think it's also a pointer to where things are going, and people have to get together and fight this, and we can't let this happen in Tamil Nadu.
They should have backed a secular writer and defended his creative right to freedom of expression, but they did not do so. I think they connived with the casteist elements and they broke his resolve and they forced him to sign on dotted lines.
Readers too are outraged after Perumal Murugan gave up writing in protest.
The book has seen 2 years, 2 editions. This is now in the 3rd edition. What were all these people doing for all these years to rake up an issue at this point of the time? It is not justified at all.
Supporters of the author set to move court. But the question remains, can fringe elements continue to push writers into exile? With Shabir in Chennai, Shreyashi Dey for Times Now.